Run a cleaning card to clean the printer. Remember, your printer may not look exactly like the printer shown here. The cleaning roller attached to your print ribbon cartridge, or cassette, removes dust and particles from cards before they are printed. However, you also need to clean the inside of the printer regularly to maintain print quality. The cleaning card removes debris from the inside of the printer and from the transport rollers. Printer best practices recommend that you clean the printer at every ribbon change or every 500 cards, whichever comes first. Or if you start to see decreased print quality on your cards. By default, a printer reminder is set for every 500 cards. When the cleaning count is reached, the message, "Cleaning required," displays in printer dashboard. Clean the printer to continue printing. Open the cover and remove the print ribbon. Close the cover. Open the input hopper and remove any unprinted cards. Handle the cards by the edges only, or wear approved card inspection gloves. Remove the cleaning card from its package. Load the cleaning card into the input hopper. Close the input hopper. Log in to printer dashboard. From the dashboard menu, select Maintenance. Then Cleaning Card. Click Run. Make sure you have the cleaning card in the input hopper and press the User button. The cleaning card is pulled into the printer and moves through the printer and rollers. When the cleaning cycle completes, the cleaning card moves to the output hopper or the optional reject tray. Remove the cleaning card. Discard the cleaning card. Do not use it more than once. Replace the blank cards in the input hopper and close the hopper. If you are replacing the print ribbon, refer to the Loading a Print Ribbon how-to video or your printer's user guide for information on loading a new print ribbon. Open the printer cover and replace the print ribbon. Close the printer cover. If your printer requires additional cleaning, refer to the Clean the Printhead how-to video for more cleaning information. More information on cleaning and maintaining your printer is found in your printer's user guide or other how-to videos.